In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a picture background with Adobe Express using its built-in background removal tool. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Once you're on the canvas, click the image you want to edit. Make sure the picture itself is selected, since Adobe Express needs to know which image you want to remove the background from. With the image selected, look over to the left panel and click Remove Background. This automatically detects the main subject in your image and separates it from the background. Quick side note, if you want more straightforward Adobe Express tutorials, make sure you subscribe to Ecom Control. After you click Remove Background, you'll see a progress loader appear over the image. That means Adobe Express is processing the photo, so just give it a moment to finish. Once the loader disappears, the background will be removed and your subject will remain on a transparent background, ready to use in your design. And that's it. You've successfully removed a picture background with Adobe Express.